Guys, I have something to say. Guys, guys, can I speak right quick? Guys, there's actually something I need to. Alright, guys, I'm actually recording, and today me and Blizzard are switching live, so that's why I have a Blizzard profile.
Wait a minute, I'm also recording.
Oh, yeah, he already is recording anyway, so yeah.
Coincidence. I'm also recording.
Yeah, Justin is also recording, guys. Give me a second. Hold on, guys.
And then after I'm done recording, I'm gonna put a video on.
Oh my god. Crap. I thought I heard something. Blizzard, say it again. Say the thing again.
Like a material girl thing?
Yeah, say it again.
Period? What is that freaking out? It's just a mimic my laugh.
Oh my god. Hold on, let me just...
Oh yeah, you know
Which Blizzard?
You're gonna have to do the thing.
No. Ain't no way she could... There's no way she could pull that off anyways.
Blizzard, I dare you to do that. I dare you.
Blizzard, do it again. Do it again, Blizzard.
Do it.
You know the laugh that Squidward does?
No! That was just Candy being Candy. That was not me.
Can you believe that? Can you believe that then?
No.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, Elijah, you're lucky I'm putting a video on top of everything. Everyone can still hear that. Elijah,
Just like Jadyn.
Hey!
Okay.
Why you say it so long?
Okay, I'm typing something.
Wait a minute. Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Hey, back to Elijah. What the?
What did he do now? Hey! No! Doctor, I'm recording. No. Doctor, don't say the N-word. Guys, do not say the N-word. I'm recording.
Come on.
Yeah, saying the N-word.
Yeah, don't I?
Hey guys, guess what?
Jadyn?
Yeah.
I'm gonna find out what you can turn to it.
Hey guys, guess what?
Wait,
This
what?
is
It'll be funny if they had that one in the video.
Oh my
guys, guess what? This one group belongs to the Turkish gang now. Period. What?
Oh my god.
It's funny when you say that.
I'm trying not to. Hold on, guys. Guys, I have to turn. Guys, listen. I kind of have to turn down my Listen, guys. I kind of have to turn down my volume. Hold up.
Elijah, delete that, or you're gonna win next time.
Typical Jewy. So yeah, okay, guys. So Blizzard is actually trying to troll like me, and this is actually funny. Not gonna lie.
Good. Anyway, I'm gonna send another automatic pilot thing. Let's see, what do I do? You know, Jadyn and Justin are recording.
Yes.
Whoa.
Cut that clip.
Listen, Nick. Nobody can even see. Listen, nobody can even see anything. It's just the audio. I mean, listen. If y'all want. I couldn't even hear anything, but listen. I don't think anybody was able to hear anything, but yeah. Oh my god, I didn't even hear it. I didn't even hear anything, so. Oh my god, this is confusing. It's almost like I can't hear my mic.
How is that not? How is that not? Because it's not even something on your soul. Because you win.
Are you trying to ruin the recording? Yes.
Are you being like Jadyn?
Yes.
Hey!
Yes. You want to ruin They're trying to ruin the recording.
But yeah, if I say hey like that, then I'm only doing it because like Blizzard does that.
Yeah, Judy's like, hey, Judy likes big stuff.
First of all, why would I? Since when do I ruin a? Guys, since when do I ruin somebody's recording?
What? No, you're not.
Wait a minute. Oh, guys, I think I know what y'all mean because like remember that time where Candy was doing a reaction video to Sonic.exe plays Poppy Playtime and that's the thing.
Oh God, please don't bring that up.
I am not saying it, but it was too funny for me. We all have opinions, so. Oh my God.
Luckily, Jadyn doesn't say that anymore, and
I mean, listen, I do. Oh, okay, hold up, guys, listen, listen, I still do say it. I just don't say it as often because I forget about it.
just don't say it.
Or I just say it behind Candy's back. I just say sussy things. I just only say sussy things behind Candy's back. Just don't tell her I said that.
Why do I feel like I have to put every single part of this laugh?
Because there's a freaking sussy buck in this call that's not me.
Like you?
Hey!
Yeah, I like you.
Yeah, but
Oh, Blue Engine just joined.
okay, Brandon. Okay, Brandon. Wait. I'm supposed to be excited if someone joins the call.
Alright, just leave the call and join back on the call and try it again.
I actually made a scene. I actually created I had it happened before I met you guys. It happened
What?
before I got it in the chat.
Wait, what was it? Oh my God. I'm actually so glad I'm not recording that, but Blue Engine, I'm kind of recording right now, and Justin as well.
Yeah, but you're lucky I'm actually going to tell her the whole thing with an automatic
This is just audio, so they can't really hear anything, but like, here's the people who are in the call right now, guys, but I'm not showing the chat. Oh my God, this is so confusing. It feels like my mic isn't working, but it's down there.
We have one.
That's Blizzard, by the way, or not? That's me.
We have one here that's like trying to
Oh my God. Oh my God, I thought somebody was at my door. I might have to pause the recording. Hold up.
some people off.
Okay, sorry I had to stop the recording, guys. I thought somebody almost walked in on me. What were you guys just saying? What's that? Please repeat. Could someone please repeat that? Excuse me. Did somebody say my name? Why is it so funny when Blizzard says that? Oh my God.
You think it's funny every time I keep on saying period?
I don't know why. I saw it in the chat and I was just dying laughing.
Oh my gosh. The recording's 10 minutes now.
Damn. I mean, dang. But guys, I might not record for this long. Guys, listen. I might not. Guys. Best Elijah. Okay, listen. Okay, look. I might not record for that long because, like, I think my parents are here and I don't want them, like, walking in on me during the recording because, like, these things happen. Especially for someone who doesn't have a door lock, but, yeah.
Well, I have a door lock, but I don't really use it often because, yeah, my parents are somehow okay with me, having this.
Ow! Oh!
You okay?
I tried to punch my pillow, but then I hit my hand on this freaking keyboard. Ow!
Yeah, that hurt, but Jadyn, I don't punch a pillow, I eat a plushie. I just go like, Jay.
I know, but still, I got mad because, like, you're so lucky.
Can you not during your recording?
Please, can you not ruin our recordings, please? We're actually serious.
Stop ruining the recording, Elijah.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Guys, I got a better idea.
Yeah. Oh, what? My pink
Give me a
hurts.
sec. That's Elijah.
What? No.
Okay, guys, I think I had to end the recording here because like I said, my parents are home, so damn, it's almost my bedtime. I don't really have to go to sleep anyways, it's the weekend, but still, I might have to go soon. Wait, is that my video?
What?
Hold on, no, hold on, give me a second. Why is this not working? Okay, do you guys, hold on, I'm showing this to the viewers right now. Who recognized this video right here?
I did. I recognize that video. Jake.
Okay.
I can feel Cursor Girl's breath in here.
So Jadyn, you have to do the same thing that I do.
Oh wait, it's the different audio. It's the audio that I edited.
Remember, instead of me hitting a pillow, I had to eat something, meaning you had to eat something and I had to hit a pillow.
Oh,
Yeah, but that makes sense. But I hurt my pinky finger because I freaking hurt.
Okay, guys.
But-
What?
Okay, remain in this group.
Alright, but guys, listen. I'm gonna have to end the recording here, so does anybody else have anything else to say?
Yeah, you know what? Should I actually end recording and start a new one in this new
Probably. And also, Blizzard, try to do your best impression of me. Okay, before I end the recording, Blizzard, try to do your best impression of me. Wait, hold on, give me a second. Alright, Blizzard, try to do your best impression of me.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but material girl.
Okay.
What did I do? I can't.
It's funny.
Okay, I gotta end the recording here, so bye guys.
Bye.